Hello, Mr. Molodog. Welcome to Tom Clinic. So, first of all, let me check your heartbeat. So, as I can hear, so S1 sound, the left at the AV valve, they close normal. And that's a dub sound, S2. So SV sound, they close normally too. So, all of it, you look perfect, healthy. Next patient, Mr. Know the Dog. So, let me check the heartbeats first. So. So, as I can hear, you have like a weird sound, lub dub, lub dub, lub dub. That is when the heart problem is like aortic regurgitation. The RV valve does not close properly. Blood flow back to left ventricle over here during the diastole. So when the blood flow revert direction, the momo is the best here, not in aortic. That's when they have like a sound lub dub. At the peak, they peak at the beginning of the diastole. That is when the pressure is the highest, then rapidly decreasing. Next, gas, drumstick. So, the edge unknown. So, first of all, let me check the heartbeat. So, that's weird. I did not hear anything. So, as I conclude, I think you're being fine. Like you're not alive. So, thank you. Next patient, Macaroon. CH20. So the backgrounds you have obesity and not eat diet meal. So let me check the heartbeat. So
valve.
So you have like a scab lub. That is when the heart like got a problem. It's called aortic stenosis. The AV valve does not open properly. Like the blood is forced through a narrow opening, and they start with a small, and then increase the maximum at the middle of the systole, and then decreasing. This start at the moment after the S1, and it got a diamond shape. So I'm sorry, I think you need to seek a medical help, like a Thai or medical help. So for conclusion, for a patient over here, the normal heartbeat sound, they have a lub dub sound. The stenosis, they have lub dub. And at the regurgitation, they have like a lub dub. Thank you for